Here's a script for your video, Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we're checking out the Samsung Galaxy A35, one of the latest mid-range smartphones from Samsung in 2025. With improved features, a refreshed design, and solid performance, let's see if this phone is worth your money. The A35 comes with a Super AMOLED display, offering smooth scrolling and vibrant colors. The refresh rate makes animations and transitions fluid. The brightness level has been improved, making it easy to use outdoors. The bezels are slimmer, giving it a more premium feel. Under the hood, the A35 is powered by an upgraded chipset, providing faster performance for daily tasks and gaming. The improved GPU ensures better graphics, while the new cooling system helps with heat management during long gaming sessions. With expanded RAM options, multitasking is smoother than ever. The battery capacity remains generous, and with optimized software, you can easily get a full day of usage. Fast charging is supported, reducing the time spent plugged in. On the back, the camera system has been enhanced with a higher resolution main sensor, delivering sharp and detailed images. The ultra-wide camera captures more in a single frame, and the night mode has been upgraded for better low-light shots. The front camera produces clear selfies, with AI enhancements to adjust lighting and skin tones naturally. Video recording has improved with better stabilization, making handheld shots less shaky. The A35 gets a design refresh, with a more refined and premium look. The back panel has a new texture that reduces fingerprints. The side frame is sturdy, and the button placement is comfortable. The phone is also more durable, with improved water and dust resistance. The color options are fresh and stylish, giving users more choices to match their style. Software-wise, the A35 runs the latest version of Samsung S1 UI with new customization features. The animations feel smoother, and new privacy settings offer better security. Samsung continues to support software updates, so users can expect long-term reliability. Overall, the Galaxy A35 is a solid upgrade in the mid-range category. The display, performance, and camera improvements make it a great choice for those who want a reliable phone without spending a fortune. If you're looking for a phone with flagship-like features at a budget-friendly price, this could be a great option. That's it for today. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Samsung Galaxy A35. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos. See you in the next one.